Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Tech Basics. In this episode, we will be learning how to delete your Aramex account. If you want to get rid of your Aramex account, then the process is quite easy, so let's jump into the video. First of all, open the Aramex application from your app drawer. Soon after you open up the app, make sure to sign into it. Once you're inside the main homepage for Aramex, tap on My Account at the bottom right-hand corner. From the My Account tab, tap on View and Edit Your Profile at the top. Now scroll down until and unless you see the Delete My Account button, and once you spot it, tap on it. This will take you to aramex.com, where you'll need to provide your deletion request. Right under subcategory, make sure that you've selected Erasure of Personal Data. Type in your name on the next. Enter your email address associated with your account on the next field. Select your country from the country drop-down. Enter the name of your city. Also enter your phone number. Right where it says subject, type in Delete My Account. Enter the description such as why you are trying to delete your account, or provide any relevant description of your choice, and tap on I'm not a robot. Finally, tap on Submit in order to submit your account deletion request. Soon after you do that, it'll take a while for your account to be deleted, which might take a few hours. And there you have successfully deleted your Aramex account quickly and easily. So that is how it's easily done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.